If you could just believe in things that you can't see, and what maybe I could be. If you were lost, maybe I'd find you. Maybe I could be just what you need. 'Cause I wanna be your superhero, but I fall apart. And suddenly you see me for who I am, and I fall apart. Now here I am, I hope you try and understand that I fall apart. You're seeing me for exactly who I am. Yeah, I fall apart. 'Cause I ain't no Superman. No, no, no. Right now you like me. Right now you just want to give. Maybe I can do anything, but that'll be short-lived.